Hello, viewer. Well, here we are, back at the buffalo farm. It's cold, and it's so cold, my first thought on this particular day is, how can I get warm? And that means burning something. So I'm going to go and look at the barrel that we dismantled in the barn and take the staves across to the old place, cut them up and get them ready for firewood. So nip into the barn and find the barrel stove. Just out of interest, that is the big oak plank door that I thought was planks nailed to the beams upstairs for the second mezzanine, the upper mezzanine. It wasn't nailed, it's just heavy. So that's it, having fallen down. The back of it is covered with rotted hay, so it's compacted on the back, very thick and very heavy. I suspect I can cut it up and use it to burn, because in its current state it's too rotted, too woodwormy to use for anything other than firewood. Over here we have the barrel that I dismantled, Callum and I dismantled. We took off those rings and the whole thing just collapsed, and you can see behind some more rings. So Joe has some ideas about that. I'll have to get me welder out and do something interesting. And in the background, there's the other barrel, the one which is relatively in good condition. So I'll probably keep that and use it for something else. So I'm just going to load all of those staves into the car and then get on with the day's work. I'll put you on a tripod and you can follow the fun. I mentioned it was woodwormy. Come and have a look. So this is the barrel that we couldn't use because it started to crumble as soon as I touched it. You can see quite a lot of holes in there, but the staves are over an inch thick, sort of 25-30 mil thick, and the top and bottom of the barrel possibly closer to 40 mil. So that's going to be either oak or chestnut, I suppose. And it probably would have been used, well, judging by the size of the barrel, I would have said it's probably cider rather than Calvados. That would be a lot of Calvados if it was. Anyway, I'll take that back to the other place, cut it up on the table saw to bite-sized pieces, and that'll keep me warm for this evening and maybe another evening. Who knows? Okay, on to the next task. Right. Table saw, barrel staves, ear protectors. Gonna make some noise and make some very short pieces of wood to go in here to keep me warm. That's the plan. Well, so I've got that pile of wood there, and a load of wood in other pots outside. Let's go and have a look. So there, in all of those pots, that's effectively 1 barrel's load with all of that stuff on top of there as well. So that's not too bad.